Just breathe normal for me. There we go. Yes, ma'am. There we go. Drop it right in my hand. Perfect. It's a Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake on Brooke Adams' neck.
Wow. Nice. Same thing other side. Perfect.
Good. Down low here. Let that drop. Nice and easy. All right, relaxes here. Good. Breath in and out. Lift your head. Beautiful. Let this wrap down. Relax. Lift. Good. Right there.
Relax that. Good. One more time, just lay on your back. Relax. Lay on your back. There we go. Relax your hip. Breathe.
Oh, yeah. Nice and easy. I'm on not using on you. Will you let big toe? There you go. Perfect. Oh, yeah. That's why the crack addicts love you. Good job. Yeah, that's it. There, we drop this in my hand. Yeah. Let it all out. Nope, that's not it. There we go. All right. Did you feel that one a little lower?
Yeah.
Okay. Drop your head right in my hand. There we go. Same over here. That's it. Good job. Good. Okay, just let your shoulders go. Yeah, no, you're about tightening it up. There you go. Better. Mm-hmm. Let your arms all the way down so your shoulders are relaxed. That's it.
Good. Good. Good.
Nice and easy. Yep.
Ooh,
Very
that was a
good.
big
Wow.
crack.
That was a loud one. Good.
That was another big crack.
Very good. Just relax. Great.
So, you guys have any ideas or suggestions, supports? We're still taking emails and questions on that. There we go. Boy, that was perfect. That they had like 110-degree Cobb angle scoliosis curve in their spine. Oh yeah. Just keep breathing, letting your shoulders relax. That's it. Let those go down all the way. Go ahead and drop them all the way down. There you go. Just like that. Perfect.
Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Nice. One more. There it is. Whew. All the way out. Good. Relax. Good. One more. There it is. My goodness, you're tight. Relax. Good. One more. There it is. Ooh. You okay?
Yeah, good.
Go face. There we go. Oh, there it is. You okay?
Yeah.
One more.
Oh, man.
Right on the right side. I want you to relax for me. Good. Relax right here for me. Okay. Come right over here. Relax it. Very good. Okay. Take a deep breath in for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Felt that movement? Relax here for me. Very good. Okay, we got some extension restriction and a transition segment here, cervical thoracic transition. Okay, very good. Take a deep breath in for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Completely exhale. Very good.
There you go. Just breathe normal now. I'll catch you. There you go. Good job. Drop this one in my hand. There we go. That's it.
When you laugh all day at work, it's pretty good.
Yep. There. There we go. I knew I'd get you. That's it. And I had to go back for a couple of those, but I got them. Okay. Just breathe normal. There we go. Good. Keep breathing for me. That's it. Okay. I still got one here. There. Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You should have felt that all the way down.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Yeah, drop this in my hand. Let me do it. That's it. Good. Okay. Yeah, one more here. Okay. Okay, I want you to just exhale and breathe for me. Don't hold your breath. There you go. There it is. You feel that?
Yes, sir.
And just relax it out now, Paul. Let it all go. Oh, yeah. Home run.
Oh, man.
That's why we call it ring dinger. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah.
Keep breathing. Breathe through your mouth, or your nose, in and out through your mouth. Yeah, see, he's still kicking. Okay. So now I'm going to do the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake. Perfect. Perfect. Good job. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Crack addicts are going to love you. There we go. Yep, good job. Let all your out and relax. Oh yeah. Do a Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake on your neck here now. That don't mean I won't break your neck. That's just the name of the technique. There we go. Yep, crack addicts are gonna love you.
Breath in, blow it out. There you go. There it is. Good job. On your back for me, please. I feel that's a part of the service that patients here at the office deserve. And a lot of times they don't know that chiropractors even work with those type of areas.
Exhale. Oh yeah. Okay, and just let me have your neck completely. Boy, oh boy. You're gonna feel like a new man this afternoon. That's it. Okay, just keep exhaling. There. I still got one more here, I can feel it.
The adjustments are very gentle and they actually feel very pleasant. And I can feel some areas in Shannon's spine that are a little bit tense. Breathe out. Atta girl. Good. There we are. Very good. Good. Now gently move this over. Atta girl. And over here for me. Perfect.
Exhale. Just breathe normal. Just like that. Yep. Drop this right in my hands. Good. Just like that. Oh yeah. Home run. Alright. That's it. Yes, sir? Alright, good. Exhale. That's it. That's it. Just relax this one.
Huh? Breath in. Out. Just relax yourself.
Okay, nice deep breath through your nose. There we go. You feel that all the way down?
Whoa, yeah.
All right.
Woo!
That's why we call it ring dinger.
Oh,
Yep. He's still kicking.
still connected.
Okay, just let your head relax in my hand here.
Oh.
Now his neck, as you can see, is very locked up. Dropping right in my hand. There you go. Okay. There we go. Just keep breathing. Okay.
Very good. Okay. You see the difference from a professional versus amateur?
Oh yeah.
All right, relax right here for me. Very good. Okay, excellent. Relax right here for me. Relax your body. Good. Relax right here for me. Good. Go ahead and go back to center. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Completely inhale. Breathe in. All the way out. Good. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Right here. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Very good. Lay face up for me. Good.
There we go. Good. You feel that all the way down?
Yes.
Yep. Good. Good girl. So you can see she got about. There you go. Just keep breathing, hon. Don't hold your breath. There we go. I still got one here. You kind of bucking on me. There it is. I got you anyway. Nope. There we go. See if they're still alive. Of course they are. There you go. Got one more here. I can feel it.
All the way out. Beautiful. No more push and spray. One more. Okay. Same thing, other side. All the way out. There it is. Good. Let's go face up for me, man.
Relax the shoulder, down. Perfect, good. Drop the head. Very good. Great. Very good. Good. Very good.
There you go. Just breathe normal. I'll catch you. There we go. You feel that one?
Yes, sir.
Jeff's is getting where he starts to anticipate me a little bit. There we go. There we go. Good. Okay. There you go. Good. That's it. Boy, that moved good.
Let's relax some. Good. One more time. Let it drop this way. Good. Fantastic. Blow it all the way out. Okay. I'm going to come on the other side. All right. One more deep breath. All the way out. Good. Relax it for me a little bit. Good. One more time. Good.
Good. Okay, on this. Already moving there, so here we go. Good. Okay, on your back for me. Good. Again. Good. Good. One more. Good.
Nice deep breath. There we go. There we go. That's it. Oh, yeah.
That was good.
Crack addicts are gonna love you. There. There. Same here. Ah, boy, we moved earth on that one. Crack addicts are gonna love you. Oh boy. You're gonna feel like a new man this evening, my friend. Yes, sir. Take a deep breath through your nose. Oh, yeah. That's why we call it ring dinger. Okay, let me have you. Look at your right big toe. There we go. Now, tilt right a little. There you are. And just keep breathing for me. There we go. Yep, just keep breathing to hold your breath. There you go. He's tight as a rail. There you go. There we go. Same over here. Yep, good job.
We're gonna get some movement in here. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here for me. Good. Very good. All right. And all the way out. Very good. Okay. We're gonna also get some upper thoracic, cervical thoracic region movement in here. Very good. Very good. And all the way out. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way. Breathe in. And all the way out. Very good. Respira fundo. Solta. Ótimo. Respira fundo. Solta. Respira fundo. Solta. Ótimo. Aí, assim. Isso. Legal, vamos lá. Respira fundo. Soltou, baixou. Ótimo.
Perfect. Nice and easy there. Take a breath in and out. Lift your head for me. Good.
Yeah, go. Oh yeah. Okay, just relax and breathe. You gotta breathe. There you go. That's it. Perfect. Specific amount of time. There we go. And dedicated appointment time so that they're not having to wait around here all day long. There we go. Got one more right there. Breathe normal. I'll catch you. There it is. There we go. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Yes, sir. Crack addicts are gonna love you. Yep. Okay. That's it, man. One more right here. Still feel it. Okay, keep breathing out. Exhaling. There. Okay. Exhale and relax. Keep your teeth together. There you go. You should have felt that all the way down.
Yep.
Relax your head in my hand here. Perfect. Palmer diversified rotary brake. That's it.
Nice job.
And then we're gonna work all the way up into your thoracic. Okay, just breathe normal. Okay. Okay, just breathe easy. Now, Just breathe through your nose, keep your teeth together. Just like that. Palmer diversified rotary brake. Perfect, good job. There we go. Oh yeah. Now there's your morning crackalicious patient.
Blow it all the way out. One more time. All the way out. Good. Good. One more. Let this head relax this way. Perfect.
Relax here for me. Very good. Excellent. We're going to find the other side here. Okay, we're going to get some movement right here, about C4, C5 region. Very good. Excellent. All right. Relax here for me. Good. Right over here. Very good. One more. Very good. Okay. Breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good. Very good. Okay, excellent. All the way out. Very good. Turn facing the opposite way for me. And all the way out. Very good.
Okay, just breathe normal, I'll catch you. There we go. Yes, sir. Good deal.
All the way down.
You feel that all the way down?
All the way.
Good deal. See, he said it first, I didn't even have to. There. Yes, sir. That's gonna loosen that neck up. There we go. Yep.
Blow all your air out. Wriggle your white big toe.
Jesus Christ, that's
Your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Other side.
good crack.
Wriggle your right big toe.
Oh.
I did it. Yeah, Gregory Johnson is awesome.
That's right. Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Easy as that. Same thing the other side for me. All the way out. Sorry, moving around. Perfect. You okay? Let's go face up for me. There it is. Relax. Beautiful. Ready? One more. Awesome.
And keep your teeth together. Yep. There it is, right there. You feel that one all the way down? There, sorry. Get caught up in your beard there. Good. There. That's it. Boy, that's moving good. Got one more right here. Yep. Okay.
Let this go. I'm going to adjust you in just a second here. You're doing fine. Good. That side's really tight.
Deep breath for me. Oh. Perfect. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Boy, this is the first time this barber's black.
I know.
Relax. Beautiful.
I want you to take a deep breath. Blow it all the way out. Good. Take another deep breath. All the way out. And one more time. Blow it out. Okay. Now, take a deep breath. Fantastic. All right. One more time. Fantastic. Traction. Okay, here we go. Good. Fantastic.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Good.
Not so bad. Do the thumb. Oh, you heard that. Nice. Next thumb. Do this way.
My goodness.
Drop this. That's it. I got you. Yes, sir. Good. There we go. That's it. Yes, sir. Crack addicts are gonna love you. There we go.
Take a deep breath for me. And then all the way out. Good. All the way out, blow it out. Good. Good. One more. Good. There it is. All the way out. One more. Good. Nice. Same thing other side. All the way out. Perfect. Let's go face up for me. Relax, please. Good. Nice. One more. Good.
Yeah, just breathe through your nose. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got you. Tilt your head right for me. Perfect. Now tilt left. That's it. Boy. Yes, sir. Nice and easy. Okay. I still got one here. I can feel it. Okay.
Take a deep breath for me. Blow it all the way out. Good. All right, take another breath. Okay, flip over on your back. Good. One more this way. All right, stay right there. I'm gonna do your mid-back one more time, okay? You cross your arms over your chest. Roll you towards me a little bit. All right, take a deep breath. All the way out. Good. And one more time. Ready? All the way out.
Relax right here. Very good. Feel that movement in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very good. Relax right in here for me. Nice. Very good movement. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Relax here for me. Very good. Relax here for me. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay facing the other way for me. Very good. Lay face up for me. This one you might feel it all the way through the low back. Very good. Definitely felt it in the upper neck, right?
Yeah, for sure. Good, you're doing fine. Yeah, you can feel all this tension here. Just let it go. Good. Okay. Just let it rest right here. Good. There we go. That was better. Yeah, there's a tremendous amount of tension over here. Yeah, right there. Okay, let it go. Good.
Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Okay, good. Same thing, relax. Don't fight me, okay? Because you're a big guy, okay? Okay, that moves quite nicely. Okay, take a deep breath in. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay. Good. Relax your shoulder. Okay. And relax. You're not gonna fall. Don't fight me, okay? Okay.
On my knee like this. A little bit. And then we'll give her a quick push down this one and go back.
That's it. Yes, sir. There we go. I know you felt that one too. More of a full spine traction. There we go.
Here we go. Moving on. Good. Oh my. Good job. All the way out. More. There it is. Good job.
Just check the other side. You have a little spot down here as well. Same thing. Good. Very good.
I want to relax just a bit. A little bit more. Good. Perfect. Let it go. Let those muscles go. A little bit more. Yeah.
All the way. Perfect.
Let your lower back relax there. There we go.
Okay.
How'd that feel?
Better.
It feels good. All right, very good. Just relax right here for me. Good. Very good.
All the way. Hello. All the way out. Good. There it is. Nice. Very good. Beautiful. One more. Okay.
And no, relax your arm, relax your arm. Breathe out. And relax. There we go.
Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Okay. Sit up, please. Relax your shoulder. Relax your shoulder. Okay, good. Excellent. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, good. Out. Okay. Out. Relax your shoulder. Relax. Okay, good. Listen. Soft one. Skillful. Soft one. Skillful. Soft one.
Good. Okay. Good. Good. Good, nice.
Oh. Wow.
Spine tractions, but I still, with the high velocity, low amplitude.
Take a big breath in, please. All the way out. Let it go. And again, big breath. All the way out.
we go. That's it. That's it. Yes, sir.
Here, breathe out. Just like that. Now pull your elbows together. There we go.
You load it up. There you go. Come over here, Renee. This is the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake. There we go. Good job. Oh, you're up. There we go.
Let that loose for me. Perfect.
The more relaxed you are, the better I can do. Okay, relax. Good. Relax your shoulder. Good.
All right, bud. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out.
Good.
Wow.
Hi, it's Dr. Mo again. Today we're going to do
Great.